Hello. All right, so I just want to jump on here really quickly and do a quick little video about how to log your hours for this stipend portion of the OIF-SP scholarship. Make sure that you guys are getting in your new hire paperwork, and once you get that in, you should be able to log in to, if you go to quick links and you go to my NKU here, you should be able to log in and see an additional tab up here, Employee Self-Service tab. You click on that, scroll down. Under Time Management, you will see Attendance and Absence Recording. Okay? So let's go there. And once you go there, you will have the ability to log your internship hours. And this is how you will receive your stipend and payment. You'll log your hours here. You will hit apply. Don't forget that little button. I've done that before. I've forgotten to do that as a student employee, as I was at one point. But then make sure you also hit save. Okay, that's going to save the hours that you're logging. Now, you also want to make sure, let me see here. If I go to SelfService, I think. Yes, SelfService. And if you go to Manage Bank Accounts and Direct Deposit, make sure that whatever bank account information that you have with your MyNKU, that it's up to date and current, because that is how you will receive your payment. You can, if you enter direct deposit information there, then the stipend money should directly deposit bi-weekly into your bank accounts. And that is that. I think that's pretty much it. So, just make sure you get your new hire paperwork submitted. It's quite important. And then keep checking your MyNKU to see if you've got this tab, Employee Self-Service. Shoot me an email if you don't have it in the next few days or week or in the next week, and I will reach out to administration to see, if there's an issue or why you guys don't have access, so that you guys can start logging your hours. Okay, you can't backlog your hours, so once you have access, just start logging your hours then. Okay, give me a call. All of you have my contact information, so give me a call if you have a question about this. If you want me to walk you through it again, I'm more than happy to. I know that sometimes to see it is one thing, and then to sit down and do it, you could experience some complications. I'm here at any point in time. You can text me or call me. I'm here. So, again, congratulations to all of you, and reach out to me if you have any other questions.